Worried about losing your precious Qlik Sense application? Don't sweat it, because today, we're diving into the simple process of saving your work as a QVF file, ensuring you always have a backup and can easily share or restore your apps. First, locate the application you want to save within the Qlik Sense hub. This is your main landing page where all your apps reside. Next, open the app in the upper right corner. Find the three dots, often called the ellipsis menu. This is where you'll find all the app management options. Click on those three dots. A drop-down menu will appear. Look for and select the download option. A standard save dialog box will pop up. Notice the file extension is QVF. This confirms you're saving the Qlik Sense application file. Give your file a descriptive name and choose where you want to save it on your computer. Once you've selected your save location, click the Save button and that's it. Your QVF file is now safely stored on your computer. You can now back it up, share it, or use it to restore your application if needed. So, that's all there is to it. Saving your QVF in Qlik Sense is that easy. Remember to back up your applications, and for more helpful Qlik Sense tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Happy analyzing!